All right, let's clean this up a bit. And let's say I want to retrieve products with an ID of 1, 2, and 3. How would I do that? Well, I can do where ID equals 1, and then we'd have to do an OR statement, and then we'd say ID equals 2, or ID equals 3. If we run this, it should grab just those 3 items. Now, there's another way to perform this kind of operation. And instead of using all of these ID equals 1, ID equals 2, and then just combining them with OR statements, we can use the in operator. So let me explain how the in operator works. What we can do is we can say ID in, and then we can provide a list of values. So I can say 1, 2, and 3. And once again, I forgot the where keyword. And so if you run this, you can see that we got the 3 items, and you can see that that's way more readable instead of having to type out that entire command. And let me show you the previous command. I shouldn't have deleted it. So I'm going to use this scratch pad just to show you guys. And so before we did where ID equals 1, or ID equals 2, or ID equals 3. So which one do you think is more readable? So both of them do the same exact thing. However, one's a little bit easier to read, and it cuts down on the number of keywords that you have to type.